Hi, let's start. Uh, Let me set up my things first and then start. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's everything is good. See, guys, today how the data still performed. I'm just talking about the script and how it has performed and all. So let me understand the behavior of this and why and how. So I'll let you know that. See, yesterday there was a full upwards from towards pivot point to up to the resistant one, even that also broken and peacefully. It was a very nice moment yesterday, and which it has shown as a upward in today trader as well. Why? Because here if you see, yesterday was the full sharply it went up, and also it supports this support one level, which you may expect as a support, you may expect as a it's kind of trend continuation from here. And see here, yesterday it has broken nicely, and then again today it's headed towards a green, but due to the nifty, due to some news base, and it came down, and it was kind of correction as well, and also the writing of option and all. And which why is that option is because the premium was very high, and it's too high the premium, so it consolidate, and people they do writing and all in options and all. But we are focusing on equity, and let me tell you that only first. So today here what happened, and you saw that, right? And let me go to the 5-minute only and see. There are a various type of it's way of looking the chart, and it's whatever sort for you, and we can go through. But the verifying of each candles, each hours differences, and each minute differences, that is depend on our mentality and our way of looking. It is a success of that only. If we are getting a success, then that's the only the key why we are getting a success. See here, as I told you in earlier video that how the pivot works and all. See, I told you everything's right in that. So if you have not satisfied in that, so you can comment, so I can, whatever your queries, I can explain you. But it's here I have brought here new why we are doing mistakes, and what's the reason that where we have to understand the proper focus and all. And let me see, I am not considering anything, and I am not even try to make you as a holy grail type of this. I'm not trying to, actually I don't believe on indicator, but how does it works and how does it perform, that I can show you based on an indicator. You don't have to consider indicator like for entry, exit and all, because I don't believe, I am not a indicator trader. I am a purely chart trader. I am purely based on a market dynamic trader. I am very I don't believe any other like indicators and all. It's a holy grail, and it's a delay in their nature. And why I am telling that is because it has a very it depends on this price movement, averages, and it depends on a market dynamic, right? First the candle formed, then later the indicator will show you I am on this way, I am on that way. The way that's I'm only drawing the indicator to show you the pattern of continuation and the reversal and something else and all, right? So here let me tell you about this proper, see, purely please understand, see, there is nothing, if you understand the chart, if you understand the market dynamic, there is nothing hard for trading and all, right? See, there will be, think as a business. If you think as a business, so in a business what happens, if you focus properly, if you do a proper business with the proper mind, you will get a success, right? If you have not done that, then you may lose some, right? You may have to give some. So that's not countable. If you are in success way, then there is nothing, no need to give. You just have to reduce your risk, that's it, right? If your risk is not matching as per your capital, that's it, just go ahead with others, right? Other business or something, and people, they'll do like that. And same things here, it's happening, right? So here what I'm telling and what I'm going to tell you, just purely focus the candles, whatever average, there is nothing else, right? You just have to believe yourself and where I am going and where I am not lagging. I don't give up myself to lag in these indicators and in these systems and in this bad physical some like physiology, like some people they will be greed and something like that. No, you have to be in proper systematic rules and follow the proper rules based on your this capital and your risk, right? So here, see what happened here is the simple, yesterday there was a fully uptrend as the moving average was same, it went, market was up, moving average was up, and market opened with the gap up, with the it broken with the support one R1 R2, it broken and then directly hit to R3, right? So here the such a things happening in our case is what and where. See here, it was a very it was understandable, it is a very proper view that we have to pick these things, right? And pick the proper direction towards where it will go and how it's going to be behave, right? So here let me convert into this, right? So here, see, I have converted into this, see, and here what happened, 583, after 583 it has fallen up to whatever, you just leave it of this and all, and don't think about a target because no one knows till where it will go, but you can assume yourself and you can expect, your expectation should be limited, your expectation should be not more than 2 to 3%, 4%, right? It's no one is going to give you 1000% or something in one day or in 1 hour itself, right? And don't want to become a millionaire in a one day, right? It's a business, think as a business, work as a business. So here what I'm going to show you here is the simple things, and see here what happened here, it's kind of hanging man, right? So from here what happened here, it fell down, right? So after that it was a pure signal. Why you are thinking that it's I can't enter, I can't sort here, or let me go buy here? See, for that proper confirmation you have to wait for proper rejection, right? Without rejection you cannot go through a proper this one, right? So let me go to this, let's see what happened here, and here it was yeah, today here this was a rejection, right? So yeah, okay, let me tell you on this only. So see here what happens here, the same things I'm gonna repeat once again because I follow the system with the proper risk management and proper rules, and so I can see the proper way of this going red or something else, right? See here, from here to till here, it was a very bull signal, and it was a very green and bull signal, right? So from here what happens, from 9:30 and started forming a red, right? So okay, you are not understanding that, okay, why it formed a red. 581 was the point, right? So here 581, okay, yeah, it will come around at this point only. See, this was a proper rejection of a showing weakness, and there is something, it's going to be a bad. Let me show you now. Just understand guys properly. So what I'm telling you, it's very important to understand this. Sorry, 1 minute. See here, this is a Nifty 50 chart, right? Let me convert into this, right? So here what happens here, it was a fully downtrend. From it tried to go up but it didn't, and it touched the resistance R1. And then what I said in the previous video, just understand. If you have not seen that, again just see it, you will understand. And here you see, as I told you earlier, that if it is below this, you have to look towards a short side. If it is above pivot line, you have to look for a long side. If it is between, you have to wait, right? That's the way of patience. You cannot blindly enter, and you cannot just go ahead, let me do whatever, let's see. You can't tell. You are putting your capitals into a risk. That's very difficult, right? It's annoying, it's very dangerous to put risk on your capital. See here, what happens here is pivot, it breaks at around 9:30, and the same, if you understand, if you think properly, in that script also same things happened, right? So here 9:30, you see the proper trends, it was a red, and what happens here, the pivot line, it's broke. What it's broke, it's pivot line, it's broke, and where it went towards a down, right? So that's the main important. See, and let me go to a sorry, I think I was, guys, let me open that only, because I was telling about that. So okay, oh, what's it's happening here? Sorry, that's this what the name I gave, it's actually wrong, so guys please ignore that name. Okay, sorry. It was right, yeah. See here, what happens here, after 9:30, what it gave a signal, it headed towards from this level to downward, right? So here what happened, you saw the first point is a rejection. The second point, what you can do is just convert into a, see here, it is 9:30, right? Convert into a Heiken-SE. Why I am telling you to draw this Heiken-SE, and why I am trying to tell you, because it reduces your noise. Because the candle show you a small green, you feel that, oh, it's going up, let me go for long. No, that's wrong. But it tells you, this Heiken-SE tells you that it's going down, it's not up, right? Candles tells you it's going up, But why high Heineken I draw here? See, the weakness, the strong, that strength got over here, right? And then started weakness at 9:30. If you see proper weakness 9:30, you can see the weakness, right? And the second 9:35, what happens here? At 9:35, it was there was a weakness, and which is like a good, right? So here, and it's kind of, it's very good, but this is a very big script, so you don't have to, you just have to focus, that's it. You don't have to consider, right? You don't have to do a based on that big script. That is just a king. If you follow the king, you will understand the other things, right? You have to believe on your systems and then follow everything. You have to think dynamically. What's the it's a market dynamic, you have to work based on that. So I am telling you again and again, follow the king and follow as per your proper risk, right? See here, today same things, actually I missed, to be frank, I missed to enter here, but I did took a risk at around here, and somewhere I had entered at around this level, and then I place a stop loss of this, which is a bigger, but I am ready to give that. Why? Because as per my risk management only I am doing that, right? So I gave from here, from here, not here, from 79, almost 79, you can think. It was some 78.85 somewhere around I entered. So here, from here I gave up to somewhere around at this level 85. So it was almost 4 and 5 point, you can think like that. Risk, I was ready to, willing to give the risk, right? But my, anyhow, my risk is okay, it's matched with my as per risk management, risk to reward, right? So here what I did, and also one more thing, it is a volatile stocks, right? And it is a very high liquidity, and which I am sure that it gives me more than my expectation if I continue, if I believe, right? So here, see, I have entered from here, and then what I was waiting here is where I enter, it was a proper way of entering. Why? Because if you see the here, the moving average as well as candle, it's turned into the red, and if you see the Heineken as well, it went towards a red, and which matched my proper this strategy, right? Whatever it's match. See, I don't see lot of charts and all, lot of script and all. I just follow the proper one which can give me more than my expectation, or which can give me as per my expectation, right? If there is a 1 point 2 point less, I don't care, but it should be matched with my as per expectation and risk management, right? So here it broken here and then fell down like anything, right? So it was, I got little aware in this, but still I was hoping. Why I was hoping, actually we should not do like that, but why I was sure about it is, means I'll tell you here. The towards upward here, the rejections come and started going up, but the final strength I see here, the weakness only, and the second also I saw weakness only, and third also I saw the weakness only. It just broke a 3 candle, that's it, even not broke this candle, right? So let me convert into this and tell you. See here it's kind of a spinning top formation which makes me aware, right? So after that what happened, it tried to go up, but it didn't sustain. Then see what happened here. Then here again the weakness I see here by seeing these candle bodies, which are the most important, which are the very patiently you have to understand this, to observe, to monitor these things, right? See here, if you monitor this, you will be expecting as per your target only, that's it. You don't have to, oh, it's going up, let me close the position, otherwise I'll lose from 78 to almost 75. 3 point I got this much of profit, so let me eat this and let me get out of it. No, if it is, my risk is 5 year, my risk is 5 points, and will I come out in this only? Is it good? No, it's not a good ratio here. So okay, if I came out in 3 point also, that's okay, that's fine. Again, I am going to enter with another script also. In that, if in case the 5 point went wrong, then you think, where is my whole day profit? It went into the loss only. I took from that script, I gave it to another script. That's totally wrong. So it will never match your risk ratio, right? So don't think as a, don't try to do Excel and all, because if you started doing Excel and all, what it happens in the real time when you are in the seat to start your trade, and at that time you will get miss, right? And it will get miss. So that's totally wrong, and you should not follow like that. You have to just see the proper chart only until it gives you a proper things or not. If you expecting, oh, it may not give me the as per my expectation, let me close this and let me look for another, that's okay, right? If you are doing like that, that's okay. But if you follow the proper rules, here you have to follow, see the proper body of a weakness, and then see here, it's just from here maybe someone has sorted, right? Here they must have booked some profits, and then they are already kicked out by their self only, because they were on grid, so they came out as per their grid, right? So after that, what happened? Again it gave a good moves, which is a fabulous move. It's double than that, right? So see here, and after that, what happens here is my main focus is to not give this SL hit, right? So if it would have almost reached here or something, if it is started dancing in this between, I would have closed the position at this here itself. But the things, it didn't happen like that. The things happened here, I saw the weakness, then again I went, I wait myself that patiently, and then it gave a double than that, which is a fabulous. It's from 69 to up to 77. I feel like anything, right? And also I see here the one more things, positive things, why I stay here, because here I saw the gapped up, right? I saw the gapped up. The Nifty is itself, it is on downtrend, right? This itself, it is in uptrend, right? So here there is a simple that we can wait, we can expect that, yeah, it will go down only, it will not go up. Yeah, it may give a correction, I'll ready to bear that correction, no problem, I'll wait patiently, then that's it, I'll get whatever my this. But I will not come out with a 1 point or 2 point profit only, because I am putting a risk of 5. See, if you are putting that risk, then why you are getting out of it? So that's the main point, right? Here I see the weak, this one, right? And also the Nifty, I saw the totally red. It was coming down, going up, coming down, going up. And other script, if you follow the entire NSE, whatever that entire indices was a downtrend, it was going. Then why you are closing your position if you are in good way? If you are in short side, then why you are closing? If you are in buy side, if the entire indices is going down, or some whichever sector you have choose that indices, if it is going down, then yeah, there is some risk that you should not take like that, right? See here, after that it fell down, and it's purely it filled the gaps, which is it's very good, right? it fills the gap. After filling the gaps, again it headed towards the pivot point, which is up. Yesterday it was a support zone. Yesterday's of support zone. It is a bottom levels of yesterday's, right? Either up nor down, like it is a bottom, you can assume like that, right? So here you see here, after that it was then I feel like, why should I, after some around, to be frank, see, I'm not hiding anything myself. See what happens here. I saw the gap here and I was expecting proper this one, and see here, and then what I see here is a fell down like anything. Now I saw the very bear candle in 5 minutes itself. I got aware. Why? Because how fast it fell down, that much of fast it may go up also, because it is a very high liquidity and the pressure may come the bull, and some people what they will be waiting to enter at a correction zone, right? So I would be aware. So the same things what I did is here, once it came down up to this level, I close, I think some around at this level. Yeah, at this level, 1 minute, sorry, yeah, at this level, this candle is there, right? And this candle, see, somewhere I saw here the support zone. Yeah, support zone. It almost I close at this level. Why I see from here almost, sorry, yeah, it is almost at this week I close here, see. And then what happens here is the position got closed, but the things, the ratio, it match or not. See here, from 68.90, 568.90, and I bought it at some around at, yes, this level only, at this candle somewhere around I bought in the middle of the candle. So it gave me a, sorry, I think I bought it here. Yeah, I bought it somewhere around at this candle below of, I think middle of this somewhere, right? See, from 68 almost it's like 9 point somewhere around I got, and which was fabulous, and it is a double than my almost risk, right? So you have to follow that risk management as per your capital holding, how much you are holding. If you are holding less capital, that's okay, but the things you have to reduce your size, because size make you safe. If you increase the size by taking a margin and all, it's very risky for you. If it goes negative, then that's it. If 5k, if 5 point goes wrong, means you think you will be out with almost you will lose 3k something, 2k something you will lose, right? So that's it's out of your risk management, out of your money management and everything, right? So you have to follow the proper risk. So guys, please focus on a proper, and don't even try to talk with social media people, and some people they will say I have entered in this, what happened to this. Don't see on trading time. You have to focus properly the chart. You have to understand the chart. Just open 2-3 whatever you are following script, 2-3 chart into your window tab. Then you just keep looking that. If you got a position, see here the case how you have to see. Yeah, you should be waiting here. See here, this is your another tab, this is your another tab, this is your another tab, right? So here there is another tab as well, right? So once the signal comes, just click quickly, buy or sell, whatever, right? Whatever you want, just click fast quick this, and just go ahead and just enter. It's very fast. You have to do that entry and exit, right? So but you have to wait the patiently until it comes your price value. Don't short, don't buy, don't do anything. right? If you are expecting something, some point or something, some pips like 50 paisa, 40 paisa, something up or down, if it is, that's okay, that's you can consider. But always my way of telling is sell at the high of the candle, buy at low of the candle if you are in short side, right? And if you are in long side, buy at a low of a candle, sell at a high of the candle. So in this case, in this means what it happens in the liquidity script, what usually it happens, if by seeing this if you think to short here, then if you short here, then what will happen is like see, it came another 50 points, then if it started reversing back, then what it will happen, you know that, right? So that you have to always short on a high of the candle, buy on a low of the candle. I mean you have to close on the low of the candle, right? And always if you are in long side, then buy on the low of the candle, means here close on the high of the candle, means you can sell at the high of the candle. So that's the proper way. The way of following moving average is simple. Whatever rejection you are looking, whatever support and zone, see pivot is like key of your entry, key of your eyes experience, and it makes you easier to understand where the next support may come or not. You can whatever assume, right? But the things in real case, you can see here, see it is respecting nicely, and here you see it is respecting nicely, means the pivot is supporting properly, right? You can believe on pivot, but you have to focus properly the one system only, not the multiple system. Don't be, even I don't see this volume at all, because volume, why should I see the volume? Volume is already there itself, right? Volume is, the green means a good volume, right, of a buyer side. The red means this it's a seller volume, right? So here you can see, here you just monitor here, see here it's almost the 590k, right? If we see here, it's a 210k, right? So always you have to think simple. If you started worrying like, I think you're gonna lose something, right? So you just feel and think as a simple, it always help you. And I'm sure that you may just practice this, guys. Everyone, just whoever looking and whoever looking for a good strategy or something, it's not a strategy, it's called as a pure price action as well, right? It's a price action as well. It's not a like some indicator base I'm working. No, it's not like that. It is it's a price action only, right? Because supports and everything's whatever comes, the movement, the continuation, rejection and pullback, reversal, these are the it's language of price action only, right? So you have to understand properly. See here, it's properly, you have to, you should focus multiple this one, I can see plus candle, I can see plus candle. Just try to modify yourself. Oh, here I see weakness. Let me go to the candle and let me go to the candle and see at this time either it was red or okay, yeah, I saw here weakness. Let me go ahead with the sorting after breaking this candle, right? So let me place a SLM order like that. So after breaking here, see, you get a very good point, right? And let me put a stop loss at around here, and I saw why I am trading, why I am entering here. The way you have to understand yourself is, here you saw the weakness, here it's a pullback, okay, but here you have saw something like inverted hammer, and here you have to believe like,
why you are going to enter here? Because the long wick, the shadow, it says like it's pulling down, it's pressing down, it's not going up, right? So after, okay, then let me not enter here because another candle may go up also. So once it broke this low of this, then let me enter. And if you have entered here, then see, by placing this SL, see here the ratio, whatever, it's a double, it's giving you a very nice, it's a fabulous entry point, right? So follow the proper system, you will be always in positive side and positive zone, right? If you think as a gamble, then just don't see this video at all. I don't care about you if you are thinking as a gamble. And some people, they started typing because they have social media, they think like they know everything, and they start typing, oh yeah, you are doing a gamble, you are teaching bad things. Are yaar, if you don't want to follow your system, don't follow, that's it, forget it, right? And if you follow the system, see the proper system, I told you, there is nothing secret in this market. So you have to understand yourself and you have to focus properly. If you focus properly, that's it. You don't need anyone, you don't need me also, that then no need to ask me also, how do I enter, how do I this. I told you here, yaar. If you started typing on a comment box, how do I enter in this, see yaar, everything I told you, then why should I again repeat in that? It's a ridiculous question, yaar. So like that, yeah. So actually I am telling you the fact, the people, the way they are asking, so that only I am telling you, guys. So please follow proper rules. Risk management, as per your capital, your risk management, risk ratio should be there. And follow, don't see any social media and don't be lag into that social media, whoever what they are telling, let them do whatever they want, yeah. You just be an individual trader, you are not a business, like you are not handling the entire management of some this one, right? So this kind of things they do only who is manipulating, like who wants to manipulate the script, they want to do like that. You just be a secret, just be quiet, you learned, that's it. You be a quiet, you start learning, you start earning, that's it. No one will ask you, right? But the way I am telling you is a proper, guys. Please follow proper and do practice whatever I am telling you. It's, I think you can watch it, right? 100 times you can watch it. There is no restriction, right? You can watch 100 times, you just see what I'm telling here. Actually I am telling a lot of things, I am telling, but don't say like that, don't think like that, he is only talking here, he is not telling the secret. See, I told you secret. If you have not understand, repeat the video proper, then again see it, then again do practice, then again whatever I did drawing, see, everything's in your this only. See, I simply draw here, so everything is there in front of you only, so you can see it, and there is no secret behind it. There is nothing why I draw this, why I hide this, to see the price level and all. There is no secret and all, right? So day by day I will tell you some better things in price action. So this is a price action only, right? So you don't think as a pivot strategy or something else, right? I can tell you by pivot strategy, but it is a purely price action, guys. So follow the price action, whatever moving average I have placed, to see the average price only, not to consider as a buy or sell, like that. So believe on and follow the king. Who is the king? Nifty is a king. If it is listed under the whatever Tada or something script, if it is listed under this, then follow the king. If it is not listed, don't follow. if Nifty Pharma, if listed, if Sun Pharma is listed in Nifty Pharma, then to whom you have to follow, to whom you have to monitor as well, right? Nifty Pharma indices also you have to follow, because they are the global player, right? And script is like Indian player, you can think like local, you can think as a local right? So it's a way of thinking and should make easier, right? People, they say a lot of things, but you have to do like that only. So I hope you everyone like this. So if you have any query, just ask me, and I told you the everything's that how you have to enter, to whom you have to follow also, and where did I entered and where did I short, where I see the weakness. You just replay the video and see where is the weakness and where is a sharpness or something, right? So sharpness in the sense I'm telling about this beer, because it fall nicely, and so like that, right? I don't want to make a long video. So thank you guys, thanks for today. I'll share you I'll make some new videos as well tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Do follow me, so I'll keep posting some better than this, and it's better than this also, and some new techniques I'll tell you, and but I don't want to make you lag into or something, or I don't want to distract your mind, because I started from where, so I have to finish, that I will finish, right? So now I am telling, since 2-3 videos are there, I am talking about the chart and all, I am talking about the tools. So just see that everything's and follow me, and I'll make better than this. If anyone want to comment and anything, just comment me. I'll whenever I have a time, I'll comment. That's it guys for today. Thank you everyone.